you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a ridiculously huge Lush 50% off Boxing Day haul today. If you are new here, by the way, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, so don't forget to turn that notification bell on and hit subscribe if you haven't already, and please give this video a thumbs up because it really does help out my channel as well. If you would like to join my exclusive Patreon community, I will leave all the information down below on how to join our exclusive Facebook group and our group chat, because we chat all day long every day, which is absolutely amazing. So if you want to know any information on how to join, costs and all that kind of shebang, I will leave it linked all down below in a little video as well explaining everything. But let's just get straight into the good stuff and let's get into my Lush haul because she banging. So Lush ended up doing their up to 50% off sale online as well this year as in store, which was really good because I definitely don't want to go to the shops to do a kind of Lush shop. So super happy that I got to do it online. I ended up spending £60, but I actually saved £50, which is crazy that all this could have come to £110. Let's just get straight into it. I ended up buying absolutely all sorts. I think I bought everything that they have that's basically Snow Fairy as well. So we have loads of Snow Fairy stuff to get through. We've got loads of bath bombs, and let's just get straight into it. Before I do though, I just want to let you know what my lip combination is. I do this in every single video just so you know what I'm wearing, and so I also remember what I'm wearing as well. This is the Peaches and Cream Praline lip liner. Just looks like this. And then we have the MAC Peach Stock lipstick. And then I've also topped it a little bit with the P. Louise Holler gloss as well, which I think was limited edition. I'm not too sure if you can still get it anymore. Sometimes she brings it out like an exclusive little bundles and stuff. Right, so I've tried to look on my online order. I've tried to look on my invoice that they sent me. I have no clue what the full price of these products were meant to be and what I paid, because on my online one, it gives me the price that it would have been without the discount. And then my one that came in the post with my actual order has all the prices before the VAT. So I'm not even going to try and tell you what I paid for these because I don't actually know. So I'm just going to go through what I picked up instead. So I picked up 2 of the Snow Fairy shower gels. These are the 500g ones. Absolutely, just the scent and everything, just absolutely amazing. So I had to stock up, just had to. It would have been rude of me not to. I also picked up a Snow Fairy body spray as well. This is the 200ml one. I've never had any of the Lush body sprays and I've never had a Snow Fairy body spray before, so really excited to have that in my collection. And then this one, I remember this one being like £3 odd. I picked up this. This is the Fairy Dust Dusting Powder, which is again in the Snow Fairy scent. And it says in the back how to use it. It says, simply dust over clean skin to soften, keep you feeling fresh and add a bit of sparkle. And that you can even dust it like on your bed sheets before bed, all that kind of stuff. However, when I was actually looking at the reviews of this, because I was like, what do you even use this for? Like, am I realistically the most lazy person ever going to actually use this? And somebody in the review said that they use it for dry shampoo, and I was like, it just spoke to the lazy girl inside of me. So I actually tried this yesterday, and I've probably still got some in my hair now because I haven't washed my hair yet. It just definitely needs a wash, 100%. However, I use this as dry shampoo, and I remember thinking, because I spoke to my cousin about it, and I spoke to my friend Eddie and my cousin Caitlin, and mentioned it, and even Caitlin said, like, will it not be sparkly in your hair as well? And I was like, I don't know, I thought I'd just give it a try for £3. I just thought, why not? So yeah, really good. I actually really liked it. It didn't give any kind of glitteriness to my hair. It didn't make my hair look like more greasy because it looked shiny or anything like that. It worked really well, and throughout the day, every time like my hair like moved, I could just smell Snow Fairy. It was just an amazing combination. So I would definitely recommend picking up some of their like the dust stuff to use as dry shampoo if that's what you're interested in. So the rest of the things that I picked up were all bath bombs. I decided I'm going to have every Sunday is going to be my self-care Sunday. So this is my new bath bomb tray. that I've put in my self-care drawer. If I want to do a video on my self-care drawer, I'm still kind of like putting everything together and seeing what I feel about it and how I'm going to use it. This is like my first, I'm filming this on a Sunday. This is my first Sunday of me having this drawer, so I'm going to see how I get on with it first. But I'd be more than happy to do a little, like, what's in my self-care drawer, if that makes sense. Because this is one of the things that I've noticed I'm never doing for myself. I'm never giving myself time for me. I do everything, I work, I do YouTube, but I'm never really switching off. I'm never just having time to sit and do Lucy stuff. I'm always thinking I need to be productive, I need to be doing this, this and this and this, to-do lists galore. However, sometimes we need to take a step back to then be able to recharge, and it's something that I'm saying to people in therapy sessions and not taking my own advice. So this is what I'm trying to do. Take my own advice and have time for me to recharge and to not feel guilty about it as well, which is the biggest thing, to not feel guilty that I'm just chilling, which is such a bizarre thing to say. But anyways, so I picked up quite a lot of bath bombs. To be fair, I'll start with this one because this is a snow fairy one. So this is just what it looks like. You can see it. Then the other side has a little blue snowflake, and this obviously smells like snow fairy. It smells unbelievable. It says a fairy tale of a bubblegum bath, sorry. It smells so good. So I got 2 of them. There's 3 in this box because my friends from work got me one for my birthday. So thank you Ellie, Linan, Jamso for getting me that, because now I've got a perfect amount to fit in my little bath bomb box as well, which is so sad. So yeah, I got 2 more of them because obviously they were half price. I think it was reduced to like £2 something instead. And then I got 2 of these ones. Look how funky this one looks. We got 2 of these, and these are called the Luxury Lust Pud Bath Bomb. And again, these were like £2 something each. And this is pink blackcurrant pudding. And it smells, oh my god, it smells unbelievable. My room smells unbelievable now. So I've kind of got these in a drawer underneath my bed. So my bedroom just smells next level. So yeah, I got 2 of them. I also picked up 2 of these Jingle Bell ones. Yeah, Jingle Bell bath bombs. And I was sending a video to, who was I sending it to? I was sending it to Caitlin, my cousin. And I ended up putting it into my Patreon group as well, because I was absolutely amazed that there's actually, you hear it? How cool is that? I can't wait to put this in the bath and see how is that making that noise in there? What's inside it? I'm super excited. So yeah, I got 2 of them. That's the Jingle Bells bath bombs. Again, roughly around £2 something that I'll have paid for them. I won't have paid more than £3 for a bath bomb because I'm not about that life. Then I picked up 2 of these ones. These ones were a lot smaller than the other ones that I got, and these are like pink with a little cute moon on them. And I think, what was this one called? Oh, this one's Angel's Delight. So this is a candy pink Christmas, it says. And these, I'm sure these were like dirt cheap, like £1 something. Smells so good. And then the last group of bath bombs that I got, I ended up getting 4 each of them because these were the same kind of similar price, £1 something each, and I was like, I'm just gonna get 4. So I picked up 4 of these. Look at him, it's a little hippo. Look at him. How cute. So yeah, I got 4 of them. I've got them like stashed on top of each other in my little, I'm absolutely buzzing with this little self-care drawer that I've made, and this little bath bomb tray thing. I'm just buzzing with it. So yeah, that was like £1 something each, and that one's I want a I can't say that word, hippopotamus for Christmas, and it's the raspberry scented Fruity Friend bath bomb. And then the last bath bomb is probably the one bath bomb that I've tried from Lush that has stood out to me the most, because when you get out of the bath after using this bath bomb, you will generally feel like a slippery snake. I said this to my patrons because I sent them all videos of me like unboxing it and stuff. Like I said, there'll be all information down below if you want to join my exclusive kind of community with Patreon. But anyways, that's not the point. I was just absolutely buzzing with it, and I even said to them, I've never felt my skin so soft the way that it feels after I get out of the bath using this bath bomb. They do it all year round. I had a little look on the website, and it's like a white balm, and I think it's called like butter or something. I don't know. It's a white ball, like a full white ball kind of bath bomb. And the Christmas version that they brought out was called the Butter Bear. Look. Oh, I actually can't cope with how cute he is. This is what he looks like. Looks like he's waving. Hello. So I picked up again 4 of them. They were £1 something each, but I promise you, so it's called the Butter Bear. It says, just on the little thing that they sent me with my order, it says the skin softener is back. But I promise you now, if you struggle with dry skin on your body or anything like that, and you just want your skin to just feel smooth, especially if you've got freshly shaved legs and then you get out the bath and if you use one of these bath bombs, you'll feel like you can honestly take on the world. Honestly, you just feel like a goddess, like a slippery snake goddess. There's no other words for it. So yeah, that is everything that I picked up from Lush for £60, which is actually crazy. Just in case you are like my cousin who was living under an absolute rock, near enough, well, every single year that I've been aware of it, Lush always do a 50% off sale for their Christmas stuff. Whenever you're in the store, they can't guarantee and say to you, oh yeah, it's definitely going to happen this year, because they're not allowed to say it, because then everybody will just wait until after Christmas to buy anything half price and won't buy anything full price, whatever. So every single year they always have everything 50% off when it comes to in-store. People queue for hours, like my friend Lauren queued this year because our shops were still open. We were in tier 4 still at that, tier 3 sorry, at that point still. So our shops were still open. So like my friend Lauren, she like obviously socially distanced queued for it, and she spent an absolute fortune as well. They do it every single year. It's just more rare for them to do it online. Normally I think it's only been like maybe 2 years that I've been aware of. Like I said, I'm not a massive Lush fan, so I wouldn't know 100%, but I know every single year it's always been in store. I've never known there been a year that they've never done the 50% off sale, as far as I've been aware. Anyways, so I'd really recommend checking it out next year. I know my cousin Caitlin will, because she feels like she's been robbed now, because she's like, as if, because it is expensive. Like Lush is expensive, even at all this for £60. Because it's Lush, you feel like it's not expensive, but it's still expensive for what it is. Like these are just things that dissolve in the bath, do you know what I mean? And then go down the plug hole. But on the plus side, obviously it's all environmentally safe and everything like that as well. And obviously the little stuff that they send in the box that kind of fill the box up, the little foam stars, they all just dissolve underneath running water now as well, and don't harm obviously like when the animals when it goes into the water and all that kind of stuff as well. So at least you know that it's not doing anything to the environment as well, which is really reassuring. But yeah, that is everything that I got from Lush. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's a totally different video for me. So yeah, I really do hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll hopefully see you on one of my other upload days. Like I said, Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday I upload a brand new video, so I'll hopefully see you then. A big thank you to my patrons as always for being absolutely lovely every single day, and I'll hopefully see you in another video. Love you so much. Bye guys.